So I'm thinking about buying this house here. Yeah, and check out the livestock. They have some ducks and chicken and stuff. We're gonna go show you those. Yeah, this is aloe vera. Yeah. What do you call them here? Betalas? What is it?
Desert plant.
Cactus, aloe vera. Cactus plant, they got it. Check out the duck. I see why I left duck is so big. He can hardly walk. He walk along one for la. He next to the animal, I guess. The tractor them go back down with. It's a 290. Massey Ferguson 290. Massey Ferguson 290. Check it out there. Check out the duck. So this is down here, but I have too much of rains. I have a lot of stuff planned right now, but we're gonna show you what I have. Check out the phone. Oh, this is Emily chicken?
Yes.
Oh. No, we don't want to go far, as you can see. Yeah, so these chickens are mine in here for to sell.
We see a little duck in between.
Yeah.
And duck and hat.
Duck and chicken together?
Yeah.
I didn't have a problem with it.
No.
Okay, so you got duck and chicken here, see? And these are the bigger one, the bigger white fowl. And that one is a different size over there. A little smaller than this one. See? Yeah, so that's oh, I got size right here. This is potato fish curry. Yeah, so I'll dry one there. Look. Yeah, I'll find one. Oh, oh, bottom. Oh, yeah, he dry out. No wonder. He dry out? He not dry? Yeah, this one is dry, man. He look the brownish like. Yeah, that's nice to go in the fish curry, boy. You see, my house over there, buying the house. So I come live in Blackbush. Free AC, I get it. Check out the skyline over here, man. Look at the coconut trees. They're beautiful, eh? Yeah. That's all, that's rice. Paddy.
Ceiling.
Paddy stacked up to the ceiling there. So the field them right the back here. So what I got for they gotta come pick it up?
Yeah, they got some people.
Okay. So why you sell to the mill non-passat?
Non-passat and the farmers will come by.
Farmers will come by too?
Yeah.
Oh.
Great size.
You got grapes here? Yeah? Oh, you see? Yeah, I got grapes now, right? Oh, here. They have the grapevine around here. Check this out. Big bunch of grapes here. Watch this one here. This is a different kind or it's not ripe yet?
Same thing.
Oh, what is it?
No, they
Yeah, no, we can get it for here. Yeah, that's a bunch here. And this one here, ripe. Yeah, boy. We got grapes, you know, like far and now. Bit sour, but it's good. Huh? Got lots of ripe grapes here. Look here. Look here. Oh yeah, boy. This was my favorite when I was small. I used to go on tree ball field. I used to go. Yeah, see, you pick this and you put them in a rice can for ripe.
Right.
Yeah. When you were little in Guyana, you used to have to be patient about everything, eh?
Broccoli.
Broccoli here, boy, watch. American stuff we got here, right in Blackbush folder.
Yakasari.
Yakasari. Yakusari.
Yeah. Meaning ano?
Yeah. Randy been on different tree and pick up cherry, man. This one I blossom. Yeah, so this is what a gamma cherry tree look like. The fruit is used to paste a kite. Oh yeah, you have some same on the fence. So everywhere you turn, you got something growing.
What if you get same?
You got same too.
Yeah. Look up what that
This one go on, man. Yeah, see? Yeah. So where's how you pick the okra from? Oh, this is the okra. So the bag of okra I show you guys. They picked it this morning a few hours ago from this bed here. And I used to yet, you know, everybody raising kites, lots of people flying kites. I remember back long ago we used to say I gotta raise a kite, not fly a kite. Happy Sam. You gotta, can you go in there? They got some concrete works there. I'm digging out the tree right here. See? Anyway, it's over there. I guess I gotta cut the grass here. big bush here, boy. Looking like a snake. Yeah, so this is the okra. I see the young one, so they pick 3 times a week, they said. So all you're gonna see here are smaller ones because they picked out the big ones this morning. So they picked, I think, Monday, this one. So Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, or something like that. But 3 days a week they pick, or maybe Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays maybe. We are today. So that's it. All of this is okra. But they said they haven't. They finished cutting the rice. They had rice, but they finished. But they haven't planted anything much other than that because of the rain. There was too much rain, they said. So that's one of the things that affects farmers. The amount of rain. Too much rain, things don't really grow how you want them to grow. So water is good, and it's also bad if it's too much in terms of farming. Look at this bush size here, boy. Okay, I'm back here. Yeah, so I'm thinking about buying this house here. What do you think? You just straighten it up a little bit. Nice thing, and I gotta climb step and stuff. And I gotta open window and thing. We have ventilation already. Yes.
So I just said there one
Huh?
So at this bed, there one there.
Okay.
And the 2 over there.
Okay.
All 3 pieces.
So what's planting over there?
That okra done.
Oh, the okra report already.
Yeah.
Okay. So when the okra done, you don't have to cut the tree, right?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, you cut the top and the bottom of beer.
Okay.
The
Yeah.
bottom on beer. You have to plow.
Oh.
Like you say, I listen to okra.
So when you flower out, what do you mean?
Yeah?
When you flower out, what do you mean when you flower out?
Flower?
You say you flower out.
Oh, the flower. You done beer. You done
Oh,
beer.
oh, so you got cut them? You got root them out or cut them?
No, chop it up.
Oh.
Chop and put on canna and plow.
Oh. Oh, so you basically got to uproot everything.
Yeah.
So that tree doesn't bear again. So that's, yeah, that's something to know. I didn't know that. Okra. So it bears 2 times, the top and the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But think that one they pick over, you got to couple from them. Yeah, look.
Yeah, yeah. So this one bear 1 time,
No.
2 times.
Beer, couple of times you beer.
Uh-huh.
When he's a beer and then I start from the bottom.
Oh, okay, okay.
Oh, then couple of times you pick some out.
So let me see what she's talking about. Oh, I see what you're saying here. So once it starts at the beginning and it grows and start bare, you cut off the top and then the branches and the bottom spring up and start bare again. Oh.
So the big one left.
And once this is bare and done, that's it. You gotta root it out. Oh, okay. So you see there, guys, you learn something new every day. Yeah, you learn something new. It's a young one. Yeah, so that's it there. Still got some. This is stop bearing. Check out the size of this one here, right? I look like you get hard. Yeah, I got plant in it. You got plant in this, I wonder? You got plant in here. This one okra, I got chop them up into a salt and pepper. Yeah, you got some more okra here. Banana. I got banana. Yeah, so they don't have much growing, as I said, because you can see the dirt. Look, you walk here. It's giving there. So that's among the rain you had,
Look at this one here.
saturating everything.
You don't know
Yeah.
nothing.
Huh?
Someone planted.
Oh, you got plants in here. See?
Oh, good one today.
Two. One here, two, three. One over there. You can't grow them more. They're young. Breeze have blow them down? Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, because it open out, right?
Mm-hmm.
Look, this you can use the planter. Okay, wait, no, listen to that.
Oh, you plant them back?
Yeah.
You can plant okra?
Okay, I'm plant it. I'll give mommy. They should bring okra plant. I'm seed for sure.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's about it.
You try same? You gotta try one too? A plant? Same? Same.
Yeah, guys, so this is the area, farming area. So this is Yakusari, you said, right?
Yeah.
So where's the Yakasari school?
Now where we show on uniform?
That one I show right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I give you a little bit view of the place. And that's it.